Today we're going to take a look at the OKNIFE U1 Pro utility knife. Now it comes in a bunch of different colors. The one I'm going to show you is the carbon fiber version. So it comes in this box. Let's open it up. I'll show you what you get. You get the utility knife. And you get an extra little tool here that's helpful for one specific purpose, as well as you can use it as a screwdriver, a bottle cap opener. But we're going to take a look at something else we use it for. And you get the little instruction paper. So let's take a quick look at this knife. Now it looks like a pocket knife. It has a really sturdy clip that I can barely even budge here. It is a utility knife, which means it uses utility knife blades. So let's open it up. You hear it, it clicks securely in place and it's locked. It's not going to close on you accidentally. Now when you want to close it, it has these little buttons here on either side, and you just pull them down and that unlocks it. So let me show you. When you have it locked, you see that little bar in there? When you pull it down with those two buttons on either side, it unlocks it and then you can close it. Now you can get fancy and use one hand to open it like that with this little thumb stud. So you can do that, and then to close it, you can hold it like this and pull those two buttons down and the blade will just fold right down. But this isn't just a utility knife. It also has a bit driver built right into it. It's a magnetic bit driver. And it even comes with a bit. It's got a very small straight screwdriver and a small Phillips screwdriver. So this is the bit driver. You just drop it in place. It's magnetic. It's not going to come out. And you can use it to tighten and untighten screws. And when you want to fold this back into the knife, you just press this little button right here and it unlocks it and then it snaps in place. So to open it up, you have to press that button and it will unfold and snap into place like so. To close it, you press the lock and then it's locked in place. So it's really handy to have a screwdriver built into it. So now let's take another look here at this blade. You will notice this little dial right here. You can see that it has this little lock symbol. Do you see that? And it's got an arrow. So when it is rotated clockwise, it is locking this blade in place. To unlock it, you can try to use your fingernail, or you can use this tool that was included. And to do that, you just place it over the top, and then you would turn it to loosen it up, just like so. And once you loosen it up, then once it's really unloosened, the blade comes right out. Like that. And then you can either flip the blade this way and use the other tip, or you can just get a brand new blade. And these types of blades, you can find them anywhere. they're pretty inexpensive. So that just means that you're going to have a nice sharp blade anytime. Then it goes right back in place like this, and then you can turn the knob to tighten it. I like to use this little tool. It just makes it so much easier. So I'm tightening it up, and then it's all tightened up, and I can just close it again and put it in my pocket. This is a great little utility knife. It's a perfect size for cutting into boxes or whatever you need a utility knife for. It's great, it's comfortable, and it's easy to use.